Oh yeah, that's gonna be good. In this video I will be deconstructing a gluten-free hamburger. A gluten-free hamburger contains no bread, no bun, no wheat. Gluten-free. Follow along and let's start learning. And just like pancakes, they're ready to be turned when bubbles appear and they start to pop. The gluten-free sweet potato flatbread burger with cheddar cheese, fresh chopped spinach, ketchup. Oh yeah, that's gonna be good. So the salad now is tossed with a vinaigrette. I've got the lettuce as the base. This is the improved design. Thanks for watching. Get them at your sponsor right there. While you're there, shop the butcher blocks. Perfect gift. Perfect gift. Oh yeah. Let's get cooking. It's gonna be good. Notice my cutting boards. I use several of them throughout the videos. Contact the sponsor and save money. Free shipping, no tax. Caesar salad with vegetables and grilled chicken. It's going to be good. Search the channel. Just put in chicken recipes, barbecue sauce, all kinds of different chicken dishes going on. Oh yeah, that's going to be good. Like, share, subscribe. Oh yeah, it's going to be good. Like, share, subscribe. Subscribe right here. Please share the recipe. If you drop a comment, you'll be like a hero. These are the two products we recommend and use the most. We've got the Boost Block board cream. It's got a lot of beeswax in there. It's ideal for cutting boards, countertops, islands, and all culinary utensils and wood items. Love it. This is the same deal. It's the mystery oil. It is a food-safe grade mineral oil. Touch of beeswax, little scent in there. I believe it's lemon. But anyway, it's really nice stuff, and it's edible. They're both edible. I like them. I've got more tips. Back to the patina. Notice my cutting boards. I use several of them throughout the videos. Contact the sponsor and save money. Free shipping, no tax. Notice my cutting boards. I use several of them throughout the videos. Contact the sponsor and save money. Free shipping, no tax. Notice my cutting boards. I use several of them throughout the videos. Contact the sponsor and save money. Free shipping, no tax. Are you thinking about upgrading your kitchen? Would this look good? Perhaps this one? Visit the sponsor. They do custom quotes, save you money, free shipping, and no tax. Notice my cutting boards. I use several of them throughout the videos. Contact the sponsor and save money. Free shipping, no tax. Moving along, we have an ideal tomato. This is a pretty nice one. You can see it was actually grown with a little bit of sunshine. It's got some cracks in it. It's perfectly ripe. It's soft to the touch. The secret with tomatoes, if you don't grow them yourself and you buy them, the secret is you buy them and you let them ripen. Minimum of a few days. Okay, always wash your tomatoes, remove the core. You can give it a little rub down too. Make sure it's good to go. And now, we're going to use the same Japanese knife. I want to show you how easy it is. Perfect sliced tomato. Now, for a salad, I like wedges. And to go one more level, you can make a supreme. I'm going to do it on some of these. I'll show you which ones. This one, and this one. These I'll leave like this. These three I'm going to do a supreme. It's where you carefully remove the seeds and you can save them for a stock or a sauce, nice marinara sauce or something like that, okay? But this is another level for a salad right here. This is a tomato supreme. It's quite popular and common in French and European cooking, so the supreme is a little bit fancier. You can even go a little more and you can decorate each supreme if you want to with a quick cut like this. You're only going to do this with a razor sharp knife. Okay? Little tomato garnish for you right there. So what looks better? This one? What looks better? This one here, this tomato, or this tomato? It's got to be good. Follow along.